It's time to talk about the last piece of the review. This is the vowel intensive. It's an optional part of the review that can come right after the three-part drill. The purpose of the vowel intensive is specifically to focus on those troublesome short vowel sounds that students often struggle with. First, we're just going to learn how we're going to be able to do this part of the drill, and you're going to need something. You're going to need to make yourself a set of these vowel sticks. If you haven't already, you'll pause the video and you'll make your own vowel sticks before continuing. What you'll do is you'll find the vowel stick pictures in your manual and you'll just fold them in half and glue them on a popsicle stick. Don't worry about cutting that page apart. You can get as many copies as you need in the members area. So you'll be able to print out and make a set of these vowel sticks for your small groups or your whole class if you'd like. So if you don't have those vowel sticks, go ahead and make them now and then come back and we'll go over how to do the vowel intensive. Okay, if you have your vowel sticks made, go ahead and get your A and your O sticks out for this activity. One of the reasons these vowel sticks are great is because, as you'll see, they have the keyword picture on them along with the letter. So we're giving students that visual reinforcement as well as the letter. Another cool thing is both the student and the teacher see the same thing on both sides. So you'll know what your students are holding up and they'll also know what they're showing you. So none of this flipping around trying to make sure they're showing the right one. Now, when you do the vowel intensive, what you'll do is you'll select two short vowel sounds that the students are going to practice. I really suggest sticking only with two sounds because, as you'll see, we'll be raising up our vowel sticks, and most of your students only have two hands, so it really works best if there's just one stick per hand. Now, you'll try and pick the short vowel sounds that the students are having some trouble with. You only can choose sounds that you've already taught. Remember, this is still part of the review, so if you haven't taught the vowel E, you can't use the vowel E in your vowel intensive drill. But we have covered A and O, so that's what we're going to start with. Now, the students are each going to have their own set of sticks because they're going to be holding up a stick to show what vowel sound they've heard. As the teacher, you can or cannot be holding the sticks, but what you'll be doing is you'll be saying a sound or a word. You'll point to yourself. You'll point to the students and they're going to repeat that sound or word, and then when you give them the thumbs up, they're going to hold up the stick that shows the proper vowel sound. Now, there are three different levels that you'll walk through for this vowel intensive: easy, medium, hard. The easy level is just the short vowel sounds in isolation. The medium level is the vowel with a consonant after it, so almost like a word ending. And then the hardest level is to have the vowel in the middle of a word or a nonsense word, so it's going to be a CVC pattern. You'll see how this transition works as I go through with you. So you're going to act as my students for now. Make sure you have your A and your O, so we have our short vowels A and Ah. Remember, I'll point to myself and say the sound, I'll point to you and you repeat it, then when I give you the thumbs up, then show me the vowel stick. Ready to go? Ah. Good, when I do the thumbs up, that means that you show me. Good, so you should have showed me A. Okay, next one. Ah. Repeat it. Show the vowel stick. Good, so that one should have been O. Got it down? All right, I'm just going to do the teacher part now. I'm going to put my vowel sticks down. Ah. 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 Excellent. So you want to do maybe 6 to 8 for each level. You did a great job with level 1, so I know you're ready to make it a little bit harder. Now I still want you to listen for the vowel sound, but I'm going to make it a little more difficult by putting a consonant sound after it. So you're really going to have to try and isolate that vowel sound. You'll still repeat what I say and then show me the vowel stick. Ready? App. Good, that should have been the A. Ought. Should have been the O. Let's keep going. Ab. Good. On. Oz. Ack. Excellent. You're ready to get to the hardest level now. Now it's going to be a CVC pattern, so you're really going to have to listen for that vowel smushed in the middle of those other letters. These can be words or nonsense words. You'll still listen to what I say, repeat what I say, and then show me the proper vowel stick. Hop. Bag. Rat. Zot. Van. Jot. Excellent. That's all there is to it. The students are just listening and working on distinguishing between those short vowel sounds. Now, one tip I will give you. Sometimes I do the vowel intensive and just try and make up those different words and sounds off the top of my head, but it's really much easier if you make yourself a little cheat sheet. You can write the different things that you'll say for each level right on your lesson plan or on a sticky note, and it really helps when you're doing the vowel intensive because there are some times where I've been standing up there and I'll be doing a vowel intensive with short O and short A, and all of a sudden I draw a blank on any short O word that I could possibly give. So it's nice to have something written down so you can just glance. And again, you'll want to do 6 or 8 per level. This doesn't have to be a big formal thing, just jot down some notes, and that'll make conducting, especially your first vowel intensives, a little bit easier.